All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Market Trading. I am your host, Vays. It's so hilarious starting these streams with the green screen background on when you're not actually in front of a green screen. So no one knows what the hell is going on. And let me turn off that visual background so you can see what's going on. I am in a little bit of a shadow, but I don't want to be out in the sun. It's Miami. It's 33 degrees Celsius out here. If I go up, yeah, there we go. The boat's gonna keep turning. So where's downtown Miami? Oh, downtown Miami's to my left. We're a little bit offshore here. Let me see if I can do it. Boom, there it is. Look at that. Cool, right? Sorry, guys. I had to sneeze and I couldn't find the mute button. All right. Let me get back into focus. Cool. Oh, but there we go. And it should tap to unlock. Is it gonna move with me? Yeah, there it is. Like I'll walk around the boat after. All right, it's hot. I want to show you guys some charts. Let's see what's going on. Man, we had a fun card game here last night, right on the boat. I ended up crashing on the boat. Friends of mine, of course, wasn't a random person. Let me see if I can see your live chat in the sun. Wi-Fi sucks, Biscayne Bay. Yeah, we got Starlink here, but all right, I'm gonna have to rely on my moderators. If there's anything important in that chat, shoot it over in our Q&A group. Okay, go to the charts. Long-term chart, nothing's really going on. Weekly chart, we're in the second day of the week. Let's see what we got here. Oscillators look good. Everything looks pretty bullish. We are working on a green star candle. That's really good. A little surprised the green star candle is still here. Interesting. Maybe it has to wait till end of candle. It'll probably go away. I really like this consolidation, as I've stated. Even a few more weeks of consolidation would be very, very good. There's really not much to cover from what I covered yesterday. Nothing's changed. I just wanted to do a stream from the boat because it's super cool. Our allocation chart is staying 100% bullish. No need to change that. If you want to support my work, check out the affiliate page. I do have a discount code for VPN services. Join us in Dubai for the Financial Summit happening May 5 to May 10. And also join us at Unconfiscatable, which is our Bitcoin conference happening in Las Vegas, December 7 and 8. We do have a link to reserve your room. Do change date to the date of the conference. Daily chart. I really don't like the CMF. This CMF is actually scary. I didn't see it before. The MACD is bearish. The CMF is bearish. Phil, thank you so much for your generous donation. And the RSI is not good either. All of the oscillators look terrible. But look at the price action. The price action is consolidating, and consolidation at the top of the range after a run-up is bullish. So even though the oscillators are saying bearish, consolidation to me is bullish, and the moving averages are catching up, which is bullish. So I will lean towards the bullishness, but I would want to see the oscillators change, and the oscillators will change once the price breaks above the prior swing high of $31,250. For our chart, not that interesting. We hit the resistance again at some point yesterday and reversed. I still think this is leaning more bullish than bearish. GBTC The moment we rally to 34,000, I expect GBTC discount to be less than 20%. Oil is rising. We have a green star candle on the weekly. I can't wait to see the next numbers for how much strategic oil reserve was sold. I think they got to smack this down into this range for multiple reasons. So they will probably be selling oil tomorrow or later today. Natural gas looks bullish. I will remain bullish in that market. Gold is on an MRI buy, so I am now bullish on gold for now. And the moment gold breaks its short-term moving average, I'm going to be very bullish on gold. The MACD did not look good in the second that I saw it. The stock market, look, the Arun on a weekly stock market is still telling you to stay 100% long. I don't like, why is the MRI down here? That's weird. What is this? I don't think this needs to be here. Weird. RSI is very bullish, and MACD is very bullish, and the Arun's bullish. Everything's bullish on the S&P. The MRI top would be concerning me for a short-term correction. Other than that, I think markets are going to go to new all-time highs. The stock market will. That's a beautiful support right there. And we're now rallying back up. And Bitcoin is correlating with the stock market very nicely. JMIA trade is looking really, really good. Just like our Bitfarms trade that I've been talking about forever. I'm sure it's looking amazing right now as well. Yep, $1.80 looks amazing. Yep, there it is. All right, I'm done talking. I don't know if I want to get into the whole currency thing. I saw somebody ask about GBP. I'm bearish on the pound against the dollar. I'm very bearish on the euro against the pound. So that means I'm bullish on the pound against the euro. But they're both going to lose against the dollar. So GBP has done incredibly well since it fell to almost parity. And now the pound is crushing the dollar. It's back to $1.30 per pound. I don't believe the pound will go above its swing high. I do think it's going to reverse any week. And I do believe that the pound is going to go down to below parity. And the reason is because even though the people of the UK want absolutely nothing to do with Europe, hence they voted for Brexit, the government of the UK wants nothing to do with the people of the UK. The UK government doesn't want a single Brit. I mean, they hate them. The UK government only cares about Europe. They only care about the Klaus Schwab's globalist agenda. The last 4 prime ministers you had couldn't give a damn, couldn't give a rat's ass about a single British citizen. All they care about is how wealthy they'll get and how they're going to use Klaus Schwab's agenda to their personal advantage. So they're going to sink the UK right down the toilet with the rest of Europe as they continue to, you know, prop up Ukraine in this war. And I think that's going to end very, very badly for the UK. It's hard for me to explain why their currency is rising this much. I think the UK still has a chance to get off the Titanic, which is the European Union, but they seem to keep trying to tie the Titanic raft to the Titanic itself. So the UK was getting out of off the Titanic, and then the leaders of the UK decided to just anchor themselves to the Titanic. USD Brazil. I've looked at the Brazilian currency in the last few streams. I'm somewhat bullish on the Brazilian currency, which again is weird because I'm bearish on the communist Brazil elected. So it's a little strange. I think Brazil had a fraudulent election. I think Bolsonaro, whether you like him or not, whether you think he's legit or not, I think he would have won that election had the election been fair, just like Trump would have won the election had the election been fair. And I don't know if Brazil would have been better off or not. Like, I have no idea. But it's pretty obvious that Bolsonaro should have won the election. But their new president, who is their old president, who helped create BRICS, doesn't seem to be on board with the Marxist communist agenda of the West, yet he is an outright socialist himself. So it's a little bit of a weird contradiction that Brazil elects someone that I would be scared of to run the country, and yet the country seems to be doing okay. So maybe I'm wrong about communism. Who knows? All right, guys, it's super hot. Unless there's really good questions, I'm gonna have to get going. I don't really want to look at stocks today. The next time I do the stream indoors, we'll do it. How about the CPI tomorrow? I don't have a comment on it. We'll see how we'll see what the numbers say. GBTC, I took a look at that already. Ethereum on the verge of weekly lows. Great. All right, I'll just give you guys a look one more time. Let me zoom out. I think this zooms in. Oh, beautiful. Zoom out. There you go. Camera's gonna follow me. There's downtown Miami. Super gorgeous out here. The water does feel like a hot bathtub, but I will jump into it in a minute to cool off. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.